Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you how to install an IPTV application, and most importantly, how to enter your IPTV codes correctly. We're using a Samsung Smart TV in this video, but of course, you can install IPTV on any device that supports apps, whether it's a smart TV, Android box, smartphone, etc. If you're using a different device, just go to premstv.com/tutorials. There, you'll find detailed instructions for installing IPTV on literally all types of devices. Step 1. Install the IPTV application. Here on the Samsung Smart TV, we head to the Apps menu. It might look slightly different on your TV. This one is an older model. Once inside, we go to the search bar and type IPTV. Personally, I don't need to type it because the app appears right away. The app we're looking for is IPTV Smarters. You just click Install. If the download doesn't start, just unplug your TV, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. It usually solves the issue. Even if you're not on a Samsung TV, stay with us. We'll also show you the best IPTV provider out there, both in price and especially in quality. Step 2. Open the app. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. You'll see a quick loading screen. Just scroll down and click Accept. You'll now see 4 fields to fill in. These are simply your IPTV login credentials. Step 3. Enter your IPTV credentials. And here we reach the key point of this video. What is the best IPTV provider? We recommend PREMSTV.com. It's hands down the best IPTV service worldwide in terms of stability, content quality, and reliability. You'll have access to channels from all over the world, premium and international content, all the latest movies and TV series, even some still in theaters,